This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ryan C. Benton. Welcome to this charming and spacious Cape Cod style home, nestled in the sought-after neighborhood of Merrifields. Enter inside to discover a flexible floor plan that accommodates both comfort and functionality. With 2 bedrooms and a full bath on each floor, this home provides ample space and privacy for families of all sizes. The freshly painted interior infuses the living spaces with a bright and inviting atmosphere. The bathrooms have been thoughtfully renovated, boasting a contemporary design that adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. For added comfort and style, the second-floor bedrooms have been treated to new luxury vinyl plank, LVP, flooring and recessed lighting, providing a chic and relaxing ambience. Prepare to be impressed by the expansive backyard that awaits you, a true haven for summer fun and outdoor entertainment. Located centrally near Portsmouth Military bases, this residence offers convenience and ease of access to all your needs. For more information, review the details below or contact Ryan C. Benton at 757-544-0383.